Hello YouTube. Just a quick look today at the Tops Knives Tactical Pen. This is the black plastic version. Comes with a nice Kydex kind of sheath. I've put a bit of paracord as the neck strap. Didn't like the ball chain much. You've probably seen one of these before. However, I thought I'd just show you how easy it was to change the refill on these pens, because Tops make a more expensive G10 version, which is a slightly different design. It's an open design with bolts, and the refills, it's a Fisher refill, and they're easily replaced on those. But I have seen a little bit of confusion on the net with regards to whether or not you can actually change the refill on the plastic cheaper version. So before we go any further, I'll just make sure that this is safe, and using the 1/8 Allen key. Okay, it really is a simple matter to change the refill. You just take a 1/8 of an inch Allen key, you put it in the top, and you undo the bolt. Okay, take the bolt out. There's a spacer, and the refill itself comes out. Take your new refill, place it in there, replace the spacer. Okay, so put the bolt back in. Doesn't need to go in too tight. Okay, quick function test. Okay, and safely back into its holster. So there you have it, the Tops Tactical Pen, and how to replace the refill.